Hey there, Sales Funnel Nerd here. Welcome to day 26. We're going to be talking about pictures and links in your emails, why you should include them, putting them in, how to use them properly. So, pictures in your emails, why should you do that? Well, because they get clicks. That is the number one reason. Include some pictures in your emails and then make those pictures clickable. The reason why is a good trick that I like to use is to have a picture, use one of my snipping tools, take a picture of my video over on YouTube, and then put that picture into an email. And that way it looks like a video inside the email ready to play, but they will click on it, they'll get taken over to the video and go from there, right? So pictures get clicks in emails, so you want to make sure that you put those in. As well, just having a link in your email, one of the main things you want to do is if you're going to have a link in your email, make sure when you're just starting out that it's above the fold until you've got a deep relationship with your audience and they will read page after page of email only to have the one and only link at the very end of the email. That's down the road. For now, keep things simple, easy, and accessible. Above the fold means if they open your email, they don't have to scroll down to find your link. It's right there, sitting in the top half, visible and ready to go. So let's go over and see how we do this. So let's talk about that little trick that I just told you about here. Okay, so here I am over in YouTube, and I'm just going to fire up my snipping tool, and I'm just going to grab this puppy right like so, and boom. So I've got a picture, I've got that. This is what I wanted, is that little play arrow in the middle. Okay, so now I've got my picture that I've snipped here, and I'm just really quickly going to save this so that I can insert this picture. I go over to Drip here, so I've got my email, and now I want to insert a picture. So that's insert image, so I just have to browse to it. And I just go to upload image, test folder, capture one, and get my picture. Boom. So now when I click on this picture, now it's blue and selected here, now I want to click onto the link option here. So I click onto link, and I want to get my video URL. There it is. I go back to here, paste that in. So now when they click that picture of the YouTube video, they're going to get taken over to the video on YouTube itself. I click insert, and it should be good to go here. So I'm just going to do a quick test email to myself and see. Okay, so here we are in my email, and we can see the email came in, and this picture, you can see that my cursor changes, so I can click on it here. You can see when I click on it, boom, YouTube, and there we go. So that's how easy it is to include a picture that's clickable inside your emails. Now you can do this for broadcasts, you can do this for campaigns. Either one works great. So I want you to do that. I want you to try including a picture that is a clickable link in your email. Send yourself a test, make sure it works. Now you can also do, if I wanted to make this text clickable, make this into a link, same thing, just click link, paste in that same YouTube address, and then I can have it. I like to have a mix of pictures and text, so they can click on the picture and go somewhere, and then the text is the same thing as far as click here to go to YouTube, or click here to watch this video on YouTube. But always make sure your picture is clickable, and if you have a picture of, even if it isn't a video like this, all you need to do is just take a picture of wherever you want them to go, and you can insert one of these little play button windows on top so it looks like a video, and you will still get some good click-through rates. So go ahead and play around with that, try it out, make sure it works for yourself, and start including some pictures into your emails there. And I will see you in the next video.